एक बार फिर साथ स्पॉट हुए रूमर्ड कपल अगस्त्या और सुहाना। क्या सुहाना और अगस्त्या कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को डेट? कहां एक साथ स्पॉट हुए सुहाना और अगस्त्या? अगस्त्या नंदा के रेजिडेंस पर स्पॉट हुई सुहाना खान। अगस्त्या और सुहाना के डेटिंग के रूमर्स काफी दिनों से सोशल मीडिया पे छाए हुए हैं। अगस्त्या के साथ उनकी सिस्टर नव्या नवेली नंदा भी थी, जो सुहाना खान की चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड है। इस गेट टुगेदर पार्टी को विक्रम फडनेस, काजल आनंद और जोया अख्तर ने भी अटेंड किया। बात करें सुहाना और अगस्त्या के डेटिंग रूमर्स की, तो an eyewitness from their debut film, The Archie, stated that the alleged couple only had their eyes for one another on the set, and every one of the cast and crew of the film was aware of their fondness for one another. Reportedly, the duo's respective family members first thought that the star kids would be together as long as the shoot of their debut film would last, but the duo proved them wrong and continued to be a couple. On the work front, Suhana and Agastya made their film debut with The Archies on November 22, 2023. After his debut film, The Archies, Agastya Nanda will be next seen in Sriram Raghavan's 21. It's a biographical film based on the life of Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal. Veteran star Dharmendra is also part of the cast. On the other hand, Suhana Khan will share the screen space with his actor father Shah Rukh Khan for the first time in the upcoming film King. The much anticipated film will be Sejoy Ghosh's directorial venture. A source revealed to us that Suhana has undergone stunt training for her role. सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने कहा, नहीं चाहती कि फिर से लोग मुझे माल कहें।
I don't think I can ever go back to being called mal.
Yeah.
You know, I don't think I would want to do that.
क्या बड़ी फिल्में करने के दबाव के आगे घुटने टेक दिए थे सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने?
Yes, I was young. I was getting getting the opportunity to be a part of some very big films, and nobody in their right mind would have said no at that point of time. So I did them, but yes, certain things did feel off even at that point.
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा वेब सीरीज हीरा मंडी द डायमंड बाजार को लेकर छाई हुई हैं। सोनाक्षी सिन्हा played a dual role in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's OTT debut project Hira Mandi the Diamond Bazaar. Both her characters, Rehana and Faridan Jan, were appreciated and accepted by the audience with open arms. In an exclusive interview with Zoom, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने बताया कि कैसे उन्हें अपनी कुछ फिल्मों को लेकर पछतावा है। सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने यह भी कहा कि she won't be open to being referred to as mal in any project.
As a person, as an artist, you have a responsibility, and there are a lot of people who look up to you. And I feel, and I do stand by the fact that yes, I was young. I was getting getting the opportunity to be a part of some very big films, and nobody in their right mind would have said no at that point of time. So I did them, but yes, certain things did feel off even at that point in time, and then you grow, and then people notice it and they talk about it and they bring it to your attention. It's criticism, but it's constructive.
Yeah.
And I think you can very clearly see the shift in the kind of roles that I've been playing from Akira.
Of course.
So I've not just said it for the sake of saying it. I'm staying true to my words. I don't think I can ever go back to being called mal.
Yeah.
I don't think I would want to do that. So yeah, I think it's a step everybody has to take, and everybody grows up and everybody sort of needs to evolve. Yeah.
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने संजय लीला भंसाली के साथ हीरा मंडी द डायमंड बाजार में काम करने के अपने एक्सपीरियंस को भी शेयर किया।
Right now, there's nobody in the world who does cinema like him. There's nobody in the country for sure who does cinema like him. So if he has someone adding to his vision and kind of just being in sync with his vision, he's very happy. The moment someone messes with that, you do go into a tizzy. You because you're so particular about perfection that you need to have it in the way that you're imagining it in your own head. And I think he deserves that because he's earned that with the kind of work that he's done. See his body of work, see the kind of films he's made, right from Khamoshi, his first film.
On the work front, Sonakshi Sinha will be next seen in Kakuda, followed by Nikita Roy and The Book of Darkness. Vicky Kaushal, known and loved by many in the film industry, has been quite the frequent flyer lately, hopping between different destinations. Today, in his rush to catch his flight out of Mumbai, he accidentally cut the queue at the airport entry. हुआ कुछ ऐसा कि पैपराजी के लिए पोज करने के बाद विकी कौशल एंट्री गेट की ओर आगे बढ़े टू शो हिज आईडी. However, he did not realize that a man was already standing in the queue. जैसे ही विकी ने नोटिस किया कि कोई उनके आगे खड़ा है, विकी कौशल apologized to the man and asked him to go before him. वहीं once again, Katrina Kaif is in the headlines as a viral picture of her from London has grabbed eyeballs. It is being speculated that the actress is pregnant as she's seen wearing a long coat. सुनने में आ रहा है कि विकी कौशल कटरीना से मिलने लंदन जा रहे हैं। हालांकि अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है कि विकी कौशल ने लंदन के लिए उड़ान भरी है या फिर वो अपनी अगली फिल्म की शूटिंग के लिए चंडीगढ़ जा रहे हैं। On the work front, Vicky Kaushal was recently shooting for his film Chhaava, helmed by director Lakshman Uttekar. The historical drama is centered around the life of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, the son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Rashmika Mandanna takes on the role of Yesubai in the movie. Vicky will also be seen in Anand Tiwari's comedy Bad News along with Tripti Dimri and Annie Virk. The film is slated to hit the screens on July 19, 2024. उर्फी जावेद आए दिन सुर्खियों में रहती हैं। हाल ही में उर्फी जावेद ब्लैक प्रिंट वाली ट्रांसपेरेंट ड्रेस में नजर आई। उर्फी जावेद हेवी मेकअप लुक में थी और उनका हेयर स्टाइल भी उन्हें काफी सूट कर रहा था। एक्ट्रेस का ये लुक तेजी से वायरल हो रहा है, जहां उर्फी के फैंस को उनका ये लुक पसंद आ रहा है। वहीं कई नेटिजन्स उर्फी को ट्रोल करने लगे। Alia Bhatt caused quite a stir with her appearance at the prestigious Met Gala 2024. Alia's sister-in-law Kareena Kapoor Khan also could not stop gushing over her stunning look. She shared her heartfelt admiration for Alia's Met Gala photos, showering her with love. Taking to the comment section under Alia's post, Kareena Kapoor Khan wrote, "Alia the bestest," accompanied by rainbow, red heart and smiling face emojis. अपने बॉलीवुड डेब्यू से पहले सैफ अली खान के सन इब्राहिम अली खान ऑलरेडी काफी पॉपुलर हो गए हैं। कुछ ही दिन पहले इब्राहिम अली खान का इंस्टाग्राम डेब्यू हुआ है और अब द सून टू बी एक्टर हैज शेयर्ड अ कपल ऑफ हिज पिक्चर्स फ्रॉम हिज मायामी विजिट। Actor Gurdeep Punj had a great time shooting with Varun Dhawan for the next Sunny Sanskari की तुलसी कुमारी। गुरदीप ने सेट से वरुण के साथ की पिक्चर्स पोस्ट और पूरे टीम के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस किया। Not just the Sanjeevani actor, her husband Arjun Punj and kids Meher and Mahir are also featured in the photos. Gurdeep Punj wrote, "It was pleasure working with you both, Varun Dhawan, Shashank Khaitan. You both are not only superstars but superhumans. Good luck for the film. #Sunny Sanskari की तुलसी कुमारी।
Manisha Koirala says she's had bad experiences with on-screen intimacy, had reservations about lust stories. Manisha Koirala may have pulled off a couple of intimate scenes in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Netflix India period drama Heera Mandi, The Diamond Bazaar, but she's had reservations about on-screen intimacy in the past. In an interview, Manisha said she was apprehensive of the intimate scenes with Jaideep Ahlawat in Dibakar Banerjee's shot in the 2018 Netflix India anthology Lust Stories. I had my reservations about the lovemaking scenes. I very frankly told Dibakar that I've had some bad experiences with on-screen intimacy in the past. I thought he would not be able to get around that problem, Manisha said. However, she then credited the filmmaker for being receptive and sensitive. I was deeply impressed by Dibakar's open-minded, responsive attitude. He listens to everyone, not just actors but also the crew, she added. Earlier, in an interview during Lust Stories promotions, Manisha had said, Dibakar's shot was called Love, Lust and Everything in Between or something like that. It made me wonder what kind of movie it would be. She even suggested Dibakar to go with a bolder actor. I had seen and loved his shot in Bombay talkies. I knew he would make something sensible. At every step Banerjee was careful. He has been sensitive and respectful, Manisha had said. Manisha, who plays a brothel Madam Mallikajan in Heera Mandi, has a couple of intimate scenes in the show. The first one is with Shekhar Suman inside a carriage, which he revealed wasn't a part of the script. The other one is a sexual abuse scene, which her co-star Jason Shah said he was very careful about. Meanwhile, Dibakar Banerjee recently released his new directorial, LSD2, Love, Sex or Dhokha 2, in theatres. It's a sequel to his 2010 hit, Love, Sex or Dhokha.